Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and a new month means a new series on the channel. And I figured with the weather getting a little bit warmer, you don't really want to be stuck in a kitchen over a hot stove. Instead, you want to enjoy your time outside. So I figured I'd share with you guys recipes that require very minimal cooking, if at all, and that are very, very quick. So all month long, I'll be sharing fresh summer roll recipes. The first one is a completely vegetarian one with a delicious peanut sauce. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you love fresh summer rolls, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. The first thing we're gonna make is that delicious peanut sauce. So in this bowl here, I have some peanut butter, creamy peanut butter because we don't want chunks. And then to that, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And then in the middle, there is hoisin sauce. Add that in. Okay. And then also I have some ginger right here. And then this is sriracha. And then to thin it out a little bit, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. And then mix it all up, and that is going to be your delicious peanut sauce for dipping. All right, so that is perfect. That is our peanut dipping sauce. And now let's get started on the rolls. So here are the rice paper that you wanna use. I get it from the Asian market, but they're like little papers. Oops, I kind of cracked that one, so I'll grab a new one. But like this, very paper-like. And what I do is I take a big bowl like this of kind of lukewarm water. It's not very hot. And you just kind of let it sit there for 10 seconds, not very long at all. And you'll see that it starts to kind of get soft. And that is when you're ready to work with it. All right. That is good. And then I have a cutting board that I'm going to start assembling my rolls on. So here are the ingredients that go inside, and you can play around with all the ingredients. I've got some red cabbage, cucumbers. This is fried tofu. I wanted to keep this completely vegetarian. This right here is Thai basil. This is shredded carrots. And then back here is mint. All right, and also I cooked up a little bit of rice noodles just to make these rolls a little bit more filling. So now time to assemble. So here is my rice paper, nice and soft. To that, you just kind of play around with it. I'm gonna put one little layer of tofu. There you go. On top of that, I'll put a cucumber. I'll put a little bit of shredded carrots. Put a little bit of cabbage. I just love how vibrant the colors are. This is mint, and then a couple leaves of Thai basil. And let's go ahead and add some noodles to this one. Not very much. There you go. Perfect. So I'm gonna shift this closer to me. And then what you do is you take the side that's closest to you, fold it over, and then take each side, tuck it in, oops, and then you just roll. Roll very tight. Oops. And there you go. That is the first one. All right, so I wanted to show the wrap part again. So you take the side that's closest to you, fold it over, then take each side, fold it over like this, and then you just roll. Roll tight so that it doesn't come apart. There you go. And then you just keep rolling until you have however much you want. All right, so I went ahead and just made a few. So here they are, and I'm going to go ahead and taste test one of them for you guys. So just take the first one because the first one always is a little funky looking. And put a little bit of that delicious peanut sauce. And honestly, the peanut sauce is what makes this delicious. So, all right. All right, guys, this is absolutely delicious. Look at the inside. It's so nice and refreshing. It's perfect for the summertime just because you're using all this fresh vegetables and you don't have to cook anything. So don't have to turn on the oven, none of that. So this is delicious. You have to try it out. If you guys like these types of no cook type of recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. The first thing we're gonna make is that nice, all right, so I've made about